Mary, did you apply the update this morning?
Yes, I did. At 8 a.m. Why?
The system is down. Nobody can open the project files.
Oh no. What is the error message?
It says access denied. All team members have the same problem.
Okay. I think the update changed the user permissions.
Can you fix it?
I need to check the server settings first. Give me 5 minutes.
Please hurry. The client meeting is at 10.
I'm in the admin panel now. Yes, the update reset all permissions to default.
So the team lost access to everything?
Exactly. But I can restore the permissions from the backup. It's fast.
Perfect. How long?
2 minutes. Done. Try now.
It's working. Everyone has access again.
Good. Next time, I will test the update before 8 a.m.
Agreed. Thank you, Mary. You saved the meeting.
No problem. That's why we test after the problem. Smiles.